So on New Year's Day, we all get together to have rice cake soup. And when you have the rice cake soup, then you are officially a year older. So maybe this year I won't try my rice cake soup because I want to stay a year younger. But maybe I will be tempted by its good taste. And stay safe, healthy, and we wish you very, very happy New Year. Actually, I like to shred it with a hand because it's easier, and this way you can actually get rid of some of the fat that comes on the beef. And I like to season it a little bit with 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of light brown sugar. You mix it. There's still some, fat. I like to pan fry it with no extra oil. Just put it in because there's still some, fat. The amount of measurement for rice cake is maybe 1 fistful per person. I'm going to make it for 4 people. This is almost like cooking pasta. You don't want it to be overcooked, and yet at the same time you don't want it to be undercooked. I always wait for all the rice cakes to come up to the top and then wait maybe 1 more minute. So I'm going to ladle into the bowl again. So it's ready. Let's go and eat this.
Very good.
Very good. Still only very good.